That I work 1 week in a one country, 1 week in a this country. Yeah, man, we're there, you know, in the kitchen again. And this and that. And me and the brethren have shared this relationship for 30 years.
Nothing more. Until then already.
Yes. Because we've been out there with other band. But
yeah, man, have some serious cooking going on tonight, man.
Like myself, man. We go out there and break enough ground.
Right now we are grinding up there. With this man. Pimento bean.
We don't show no sign.
You see me?
I don't like say,
give the food enough flavor, you know?
you see a man sick. And I mean, I play that. You just come out of the hospital and you go to free, man. You know, you say come out of the hospital and you go to free, man. You hear yourself there. That person that don't show no sign. And one thing we know how we bother him is asthma. And tell him they're on the road and when my people show me, you know, say, man, man.
Yeah, man, crush up everything fine, you see me?
Somebody mark on my screen.
How would we? Well. Yeah, man, we in the kitchen, you know. Yeah, man, a late night cooking, you know, because this is a pot now done for now, you know, some oxtail and some fried chicken. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, rice and peas. Peas don't cook already, though. You see me? Line up them fine, you see me? To give the food enough flavor, you see me, I say? Yeah, man, I'm the top chef in the kitchen, man. Alright, flavor time, you know.
I can't get that question out of my head. Believe you me, the amount of joy and happiness and the amount of disappointments and things we have on the road is unbelievable, man. I mean, everybody.
Yeah, man, we're not going with the night here, though.
Go through them something there, them things there, you know.
So some late night cooking with them right now, you know. You know, oxtail will take about a good 2 hours to cook. Hour 45, the earliest. See me? The man we in the kitchen, man. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. You see me? I say if you go up on the page, you will get the YouTube channel. You see the YouTube link, click on the link, subscribe. Then say, look at that. Yeah, man, have some oxtail we are bad up in the night, yeah, man. Oxtail and fried chicken, rice and peas, late night cooking. You see me? I'm ready now. The driver, he better turn, go up the road and come back down for the highway there. See, he's not the oxtail, you know? Around there, you know? Yes. Now when you see our old foods, because we got old foods, when you see our old foods, you say, Mocha, we just pass our old food restaurant, our old food. Fried chicken, this is me? Supermarket, them oxtail over here, some old foods. And look here what the driver do. Put little brown in on the oxtail, isn't it? I say? 2-3 drive little long. He have to wake up and carry me go to Whole Foods. And the same thing with Desi.
Any China, look here, what it's
Yeah, man, start seasoning it up, cleaning up that one at first, isn't it?
And Carl, we bought the Chinese restaurant there, we bought the old food there. That's sad thing, that's I mean, all the old musical fraternity.
Man, season it up generously, you see me I say? Yeah, man, some late night cooking with the top chef done the place, man.
Write the first book on drumming in Jamaica.
So on the long recipe them up on YouTube, you see me? Top chef done the place.
The man write a book about drumming.
Wrong one today, not to blow. Look at that.
Painful, Rasta. Very painful.
Yeah, man. The link up on my page too, you know. If you go up on my page, you will see the YouTube link. Click the link, subscribe to the YouTube page, you know. You don't know the thing go. You get the long recipes them over there, so you see me? Yeah, man. This have to go over there. You see me, I say? Season up the oxtail. Look at that. Alright. Yeah, man. Never get to marinate nothing, but I saw it I go bad up tonight, you see me? Did you?
And the man just gone left for us. That terrible thing in
You got it, President, drop out there or something.
You shouldn't have that, man.
That's one big.
Man just gone left me. Gone left him son, gone left him daughter, gone left him wife. Gone left him bridging them. Showing no sign of sickness. No sign. It's not like you can't see him and I say, if you go by that time and go check out this and check out that, you know. You just moving normal, maybe I feel pain and I tell nobody neither, you know. Yeah, maybe I feel pain and I tell nobody, but I tell you, Raska, you feel it. When I say feel it, you know. Oh gosh, man. Everything.
Alright, my presentation is done, I gotta do a paper on the presentation, and I gotta do another paper.
What
glad to say.
Yeah.
Because
And that's just for one class.
enough things we do on the road, man.
Extra credit.
As I say, enough
3 points.
We go place a woolly artist.
That's what
Never go yet. I just said that you see man go there. And I said, why you know some of the we have broke from in the 80s, 90s. Some of them are never born yet. We are solo.
Yeah, man, you don't know your flavor up there. You call this butter. Why for that? Fata.
I never ever know some dog poetry can do them here there.
Flavor up the butter, put some black pepper.
We used to sell out some place in Europe there. Man, that's a motor. I don't know poetry we read. Yes, that poetry we read, but
We now use no eggs. You know?
where you look kiddie, you know. Where you look China. McDonald, all the man them who the Pacific, marry the 2 parts of that idea. Hey, alright, I can play some music because I tell you, man, we are growing team song from the movie Shaka Zulu. We want to see that movie, and we're going to see it, you know, Shaka Zulu. I Google it on YouTube. So down I Google all the craziness, the madness. That's true propaganda from people.
Yes, my people there in the kitchen, yeah, man. We have bought up some fried chicken. We have some oxtail.
You are one of plus one. Discredit them, I try discrediting. You know, see, and they don't know.
I'm doing that, you know.
They don't know what Rasta. They don't know. What is life? Black Euro feature and Cyan Rabbit. Alright, so as I tell you, Thursday we have an interview with our sister and we have that party because of so much things that go on the program. So we decided, said, we're going to bring her forward today. I don't want to start her name, you know, when I said, Soa Samba. Good night.
The Soa Samba.
I am totally okay. You what, pronounce the first name?
My first name is Soa.
Soa Samba.
No, Samba is Anaki.
Yeah.
Brown up the axle a little bit, you know?
Is it a grade the research paper from how long?
Alright, so it is
Brown it up first a little bit.
we are offering the opportunity to the African diaspora in the North and Latin America and within the Caribbean, the opportunity to come discover the business,
Woo!
and locating opportunities that we have in the call. It's very important for us to be able to
Damn thing, but me look a while, you know, man.
information through our diaspora because right now everybody is in Africa. The Indian, Chinese, European.
I have a final exam.
Yeah, man, we have the ox tail over there, so you see me, we are going to go and brown it up. You see me, right now, I prepare, I season up the oil a little bit. Because we have French fries, some chicken, the Top Chef way. Look at that. Yeah. You see me? So get some garlic.
And where you will go to the two main capitals, Kinshasa and Lubumbashi. And so we will go see the
Crush them.
SMEs, learn about the whole ecosystem. There will also be a part of the ancestry tours to look at.
Let's get a can.
And so this is why we're here. And this is really the message we have for
Some off, you see me?
Alright. Most people, most of us are familiar with Africa. Most of on the West Coast, Ethiopia, are South Africa.
So something in to be in the night.
We are only about violence, war, civil war, house and that white people that pick out the mineral resources and that only factory and from their one.
If I wanna catch bandit.
From the whole Republic of the Congo, tell you something about like in Jamaica now. White people don't get poor, don't get poor and Jamaica.
I'm doing my exam on that
Well, the conception is, most of the time when people ask you about how they ask you about the minerals.
Yeah, man, we now use no flour, man. We just use little oil in the pot, you see me, I say? And we say, look at that. And that's good enough. You see me, I say?
We are more than just our minerals, and we are more than just the fact that the international communities have been putting us through for the 30 plus years.
Turn down your stove a little bit, you know, because you know,
Like Jamaicans are very
rush cook them, you know.
country with
Yeah, cook them slowly, you see me?
quality of life. So I just really want to encourage people to really be open-minded and not really listen to what the Western world is trying to portray, as we know that they don't really want to portray a good image of us in general, because they don't want us to be together, they don't want us to learn from each other. So we should be a little bit more smarter, you know?
Alright, but this thing that you're doing now, give us an idea of how we go
Right, so
going family line to the family.
You doing homework? Yeah?
I don't know how much I have exam I have to take, but I want to take it on that later. And use this like so I can have the textbook open too.
Right there.
because I finished the presentation.
What is it that you are going here?
And I will pay for the go with the presentation.
What is it to get here? What your foundation will do for us to get here?
So we would put the we would first thing for the trip that they would take.
Wouldn't know for one more piece can hold that.
The whole paperwork, accommodation, and visit and the quotations of your account on the ground to the different ministers of the
I mean, I thought,
oh,
yes, seen it?
different plans,
Yeah.
where and have incubators, understand the whole ecosystem and the business and the opportunities they have on the ground, see the land for some people who want to buy land, see the land that's well beautiful after us there. And if you want to talk to tourism or real estate or anything you really want to do in education or anything, just to understand and come. So then whenever you go back to Jamaica, you just say, okay, you know, I've seen different other people down, I understand the reality. Now I can have a more clear idea and say, okay, I would be interested in investing in this, and this.
How long have you been here, by the way? How long have you been here?
Excuse me?
How long have you been here? I'm in Portland. How long have you been here?
I can't hear you clearly.
How long have you been in Jamaica?
I've been in Jamaica 1 month.
1 month. I want you to respond.
Hey.
Wrong what?
Kitchen
hot now. Kitchen hot now, okay? You want to get burned?
Most of the people who have the move, unfortunately, don't look to Africa in that sense. But then the ones who don't
come up at the stove. No.
It's now for me to be able to find the balance and find people who have a need.
Hey, Jazzy.
Yeah, man. Make sure you click the link on the page, you know. You see me and say? Subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know. Yeah, man. Over there, we're there now, you know. Brown, me a brown up the ox tail, yeah. You see me I say?
Their hands are really deep in all of that.
People do it different, you know, so watch it play, you know.
So as long as the people are not comfortable and there is not peace, so they can just feed and do whatever they want to do. You know?
The man has some late night cooking, you know, what time now? We not done 9:48, we not done cook till about, I guarantee you we not done cook till 11 o'clock. Rice pot ready, you know? Alright, get some coconut milk.
Democratic government, like, people are getting voted,
Coconut milk. Come on.
Well, I think also there is also a language barrier because here because our country is a French-speaking country, most of the examinations also are not always sit here in the English part of the
Want some salt?
Our president has been going around and speaking and talking, but I think that our country is so vast and he has already so much it's so many layers of political. I mean, I'm not really the right person to really be able to talk on that. Is that he has a lot of things going on, but he speaks on the things.
That one bubble up. Advocacy.
Yes. Why are you
You get distracted, man. Something that I'm distracted.
You have something that's like a new season.
Alright, tell me when you're ready.
I have to tell you about what?
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready to speak already. I'm so sorry. I'm here.
Alright, okay.
Alright, Skeleton.
You have a special thing in DRC that don't invite people.
Rush it up in the pot.
You know, like how we have like a reggae show.
I say, look at that.
You know, carnival, like, you know, something special. That is the best
Yeah,
time.
margarine, butter,
Come.
whatever you call it.
DRC is that time.
Yes, so we have
Sure, bro.
in September, at the end of the month of December, we have the Home Caribbean Fest that happens every year. And so
You have some time.
The 19th of September until the 2nd of October. So that's also very interesting and we're
Time
really
in the pot.
for the people from
You want to look more water. Yo, big up in a bandy down there. To the roses, you know. Make that go and bubble up a little bit.
It's a festival, it's the exchange program, so we'll have information to come
Alright.
to Congo, to do an exchange program in agriculture, history, music, art, dance, sports, etc. And then at the end we will finish with the festival. A festival of 3 days with
You have some fried chicken and oxtail we are dealing with.
and from the country.
You know, festival that keep here.
Some cow tail.
God's true same thing. We keep in Portland. I think this year it will be on the 11th of August.
No.
I don't know if you're going to be here that long, but it will be nice to see a kind of indigenous kind of festival in Jamaica. It's in Portland where I'm in Joe. As my sister P, I don't know if
Alright, look at now, I want to get rid of the aisle.
That would be really nice, and it would be
Not done yet.
interesting if we
I
could
think we
have
reach halfway there.
drummers and with the Christmas
brown the
songs,
oxtail,
also
see?
with African,
I chew off the aisle in the pot. Because they don't know, Brave don't have no aisle in it, you know.
But most of the time,
Yeah,
we
man.
only relate to Kenya, Tanzania, South Africa, Ethiopia, when we have so much more. So, for me, I would really invite to even here in the Caribbean, relate to Africa to really be more open and really
Get rid of that aisle, yeah. Throw it in or something.
The first time here because I'm a dancer. I went to the music museum of the Jamaican Music Museum, and I found drums from everywhere.
Like you like the
But then
line.
you see, Kumina comes from Congo, and the Congo culture, they didn't even have drums in the Congo. So I had to come and give the museum this.
I'll get a book. So you get rid of the aisle. Right now, we're in New York. We're from Jamaica. But we're in New York right now. Add water to this. Yeah, man. If I go cook down about for the next hour or so.
Okay, thank you so much.
Isn't it?
Yes. Okay, thank you. Have a good evening. Thank you for your time.
Take a break. Get some garlic and we add it in there, isn't it? Big up, big up. Big up NKH. You don't know.
What you want to be when you go to Africa. You hear me? It is what you want to be when you go home. But there's still a decision for the African men making. Because they have to come together and make the decision. Africa, the Africans are home and abroad. Because we defend Africa. Yeah. You don't really have like the African come out and say, I defend you.
You frying them yesterday?
Yeah.
We can't give up. Because we know that some of them is French and rule for them country, some of them is American, some is English, some is German. So we can deal with something where we know that if we not deal with
Big up Win J, no?
it has to be there, you know.
I know Nikatai this. Nikatai have TikTok. Press sister man, you remember press sister? Win J. Yeah, Nikatai. I true. Me see the name and oh, big up in my J. Big up, I'm father, man.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Big up, man. Then in the kitchen in the late night, I strip up, you know? Yeah, man. No, man, Nikatai is smart like that, you know?
I know he go with his match.
It is what you want to be when you go to Africa. You hear me? It is what you want to be when you go home. But there's still a decision for the African nation. Because they have to come together and make the decision. Africa, the Africans are home and abroad. Because we defend Africa.
Yeah, man, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know, my people. Link in the bio, you know. Eh? Yeah, man, you don't know, man, in the kitchen we live, you know. Yeah, man. Hope all is well down there, you know. I never know more time on the day up here or down. I never know on the day right now. But hope all is well with the family. Yeah, man.
When the fight is war, you know, you find that it's not just a war of survival, it's a war of survival of a people.
Rice pot I go on with baking, the rice now in there, you know. The season it up already. Add the butter, salt and some curry and some thyme. Some pimento. Yeah, man, you don't know family. Don't know the thing, man. Come on, salt, man.
Did you buy sauce?
Say that one day.
Say the question up.
See salt,
Remind you what's going to happen. You know, I want you to come home and say everything pop up.
You bet me water there?
Anything has a bit strong. Yeah. I'm trying to use this kind of test negative at the time of that I the best. That's the injection may pick up to my son.
Yeah, man. Big up my general. You don't know the thing, man. I don't know. Isn't it? That's it? What's the problem, girl?
A bag of things.
You get burn, baby girl.
Okay, tablet.
What did you tell one?
And you know, give me some of this something like pants and I'm not saying no from the way I want to do. Yeah, you tell me that I really mind. I just put that down there. That's not violence on the right. You know, I'm meeting me at the middle right. Go to it to me that, you know, I like it from the child. You go to my thought to your son, you know. I don't see a crazy child either, but the truth is now, I don't give it the best of this career.
You got a face for dinner after she eats so much cake? You got a face for dinner after she eats so much?
Well, I'm just you can't eat too tough.
You ever see her not finish her food?
Yes, my people, you don't know when you have fried chicken, you turn down the stove a little bit, make it go and soak, isn't it? Because this is the colour we want, you know, so you just go and soak, you know, isn't it? I say? Yeah, man, so inside, the bone them, everything can chew up and thing. Why for the chew up still? But you don't know the thing go. You see me? Yeah, man, big up everybody who there, you know, you don't know. Some late night cooking, you know. You see me? We have some oxtail over here, so I go and bubble up, a trouble. You see me? We have the rice and peas, we have the rice ready to go in the pot, you know. You see me? I say, we say, look at that, you know. Yes, my people, subscribe to my YouTube channel, the link in my bio, you see me?
Step up the scene, send some hearts.
You don't know the thing, you get the wrong recipe them over there, so you see me, I say? YouTube, TopChefDundyplace, subscribe. We'll try to reach 1,000 by June. You see me? Yeah, man. That video you got up on YouTube too, you know. Right now, I watch the rice. So you hear me I say, if you're up on YouTube and I watch a rerun, big up yourself. At the Top Chef, welcome to the kitchen. Look at that. Yeah, man. Don't know if you're up on YouTube right now and I watch a rerun, just go and subscribe. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Tell me when you want to see me cooking at the kitchen. You see me I say? I think we cook everything already still, you know. What do you think, babe? Yeah, so give me them ideas then.
Like salmon, man.
No, I like salmon. Do you like it, right?
It's alright, it's good for you.
Yeah, make it for you, though. You know, I feel like something to make it, you know. I'm here the Top Chef, you know.
Because you don't like it, and you don't want to eat it.
No, I don't like how it is.
Do you like it too?
Training and the arming of these rebel groups by foreign governments. Nothing is ever mentioned about the Western-backed wars, or the involvement of foreign corporations in the looting of Congo. 48 women are raped every hour. Millions are displaced. Over 6 million dead. Half are children under the age of 5. What is happening in Congo is a silent holocaust.
You understand? We hear about it because we don't have the connection and the links. We should have links all over Africa to tell you what's bad and what's good.
Yeah, man.
You know? And I hear sister talk about that is one side of the Congo. Congo is a big country in Africa. And that same culture when I talk about this is in the iPhone, cell phone.
Yeah, man, I rice that, you know? Rice and
Few of them.
peas, you know?
We are used. And them know that. So the
Big up in my user. We are deal with coffee. Big up for the fella, you know? You don't know what the thing going, you know?
sister come and tell you, say,
Look at that, you know?
not everything bad in the Congo. Just like how
Feel free to follow the YouTube channel, you know? The link there on my page. Top Chef Dundyplace. Look at that.
People live in Jamaica. And every day we hear about healing. But guess what?
Now the fry nice, you know?
Majority of the people that still have to
And
work,
crispy, you know?
still have work.
If you get a crunch when you have, when you take your first bite. You see me I said? Yeah, man. Still have a, we just reach halfway in the cooking right now.
Normally,
You see me?
normal can be even with what we hear about the whole factory. And I want to tell you that if the same thing will go to certain country, and I tell you, one night we go to keep a taxi, literally keep a taxi in a Cote d'Ivoire called Ivory Coast. And I'm talking about over the studio to do the program, cutting it. Just like now, we all do the program. And then tell the taxi man to drive over the station. And the man is driving at some dark road, you know. And the man stopped the car, the taxi, and walk over around place that look like a nightclub. But the road not have no light at all, and he left the key in the car, and I'm going to jack the watcher. You have moved this car here, the rasta. You have moved this car here. I'm not trying to ever move it, you know. And I look like, you know.
Crispy and nice, you know?
And she look like, and I'm going to say, all right, you know. Now move the car, you know. Because I'm about to go move the car, you know. You see the man I walk, come back. And the car, it's like them out well, and some later water. Yeah, I'm sorry, I tell you. There's a little thing there. But you know, say, yeah, you sure don't want to hear it. Play my clock. All right.
Now I'm going to sweat a little bit.
So yeah, we will have to about this today.
Yeah, man, see it there?
I report.
Look at that, you know. Yeah, man, the fried chicken, that man. You see me, I say we have some oxtail in the pot there, right there, so. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know the thing going on fried, well done and crispy. You see me, I say? Yeah, there. Here, how crispy it is. Yeah, man, I don't know, soft thing, and some crispy chicken. Look at that. Yeah, man, what's next? Put the rest of them in the pot. And take out that door. See it there? Yeah, man.
In front, Ivory Coast was 8 hours. That means a stepping ways a middle hour. So stepping ways over the start about 10 o'clock in the night. So them hours there. Dark place. Some place where then I stop my car in Jamaica. Yeah, what place? Anyway, we're going to play this, I'm going to play this. Listen.
Congo crisis, in a nutshell. Since 1996, over 6 million people have died in the democratic...
Hey, we play that, I did not play a while ago. I did not play a while ago, yeah. That's what I play, that's what I play.
Welcome back. The late fashion designer Coco Chanel once said a woman who cuts her hair is about to change her life. A new study out of the US suggests the pursuit of perfect hair could actually be impacting our health. Researchers looked at 18 hair products sold in the US and traditionally used by black women, like hair relaxers, hot oil treatments, anti-frizz or leave-in conditioners. Every product they looked at contained endocrine-disrupting chemicals, or EDCs. That means they interfere with the way our bodies produce hormones. And many of those products are actually banned in Europe. And what's of particular
last round of chicken that.
how few of those compounds are listed as product ingredients, and that makes it difficult for users to know exactly what they're putting on their hair and scalp. Well, the study is published in the journal Environmental Research. Paula Okogo is a hair care blogger and author. She's with me. Her children's books explore the relationship between girls and their hair. And joining us from Boston, Massachusetts, is the study author, Dr. Jessica Held, a scientist at the Silent Spring Institute. Jessica, I'm going to come to you first to talk about the health problems that you found black women tend to have more than other women in the US. There was something that stood out for you here.
Yeah, thanks for having me. So we know from previously published research that black women have higher rates of uterine fibroids, of infertility, earlier onset of puberty, as well as rising rates of endometrial and breast cancer.
And did you find a link with the kind of chemicals that are in the hair products you talked about?
So what we found was that endocrine-disrupting chemicals were frequently present in these products. We know that endocrine-disrupting chemicals are present in people's bodies, so some of the same chemicals that are in these products are in women's bodies frequently. High doses are
them already.
specifically answer the question of whether or not these chemicals are directly influencing health, but the fact that these chemicals are frequently found in these products also concerns us.
Yeah. Some late night cooking tonight. Okay?
I know you not only act as a hair care coach, you're aware of what's on the market now.
That will call me up, girl.
Over the years, the kind of products that have been used by black women to care for or steam or whatever you want to do your hair. Yeah, and with black hair, it naturally requires a lot more products than any other hair type because it's drier. It also requires more lubrication.
Yeah, man, we there. I see him in the kitchen, man. You don't know. You see me, I say? Them food that take time, you know, and not rush through cooking. You see me, I say? Slow cooking. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Me I cook for you better not hungry, you know? Because some 2 hour cooking. 2.5 hour cooking. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Food have to cook well done, you know. You know, cook food fast like Gordon Ramsay, you know. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Cook a food have to well done, you see me? Yeah, man.
And Jessica, there is another concern which is not often the ingredients aren't fully listed. So it's hard to know what you're dealing with when you buy these products.
That's right. Yeah, we actually found that the majority of the chemicals that we detected weren't listed on the ingredient label. We did find that parabens tended to be better labeled, as they were by no means always labeled. Fragrance chemicals tended to be labeled with the word fragrance, but the actual ingredients within those fragrances were not listed on the label.
Do you think, Jessica, that black women who use these products that are directed at them as a market should be worried about their health because of this?
Yeah, that's a good question. From a precautionary approach, I think it makes sense to reduce exposures to products that have chemicals that may cause harm, and where there are opportunities to reduce that exposure, I think it makes sense to do that.
Ola, what do you think about that? I agree completely. A few years ago when I became more ingredient conscious in terms of the products that I use, and I kind of picked my products looking at the ingredients list, and I've become more familiar with some of the chemical names, I have moved to more organic products, and there are more products in the marketplace. A lot more.
Yeah, man, flip then I know, you see me, I say?
And we try to go towards more natural hair. So for the products, the women are being more conscious about what is in the products they're using on their hair and skin, and they're being more careful and picking products that are either more organic or have less pharmaceuticals and more natural oils, etc. And Paula, I'm interested in the fact that you speak to a younger audience as well, in part because of your coaching, but also the children's books. I think we can share some of the front covers of the books that you've published and are about to publish. And hair care is a massive issue. It is. It's something that speaks to the heart of identity for a lot of black women and black girls. Hair isn't just hair for us. It's the number one signifier.
Some of the heart problem too, you know. Yeah, you died in the hospital near into a Norfolk Park Hospital over in London. I want to know who named Jimmy James. Them now know.
That big 1964, the Lyndon passenger, come to me, that's fine. Okay, so...
Yeah, man, you haven't seen it, but that's why the man comes. Yeah, that's why the man comes.
No, you can't see,
The talk.
Before you talk, but we talk and we can't see. And you know, remember, years ago in command from Heineken Star Guide and sitting in the park and come and by, you know, the time Heineken Star Guide by Axel Music.
So me have to refill my thing there, you know.
Yeah, man. But, I tell you, man,
we have a face Desert Jones, they don't have to, I tell you. I see boys and I have permanent that face. Them come out there over there.
And you know, your school that you used to go to, Wesley School, just about 2 weeks ago, so I was at the funeral of Rocky Campbell.
Yes, my people. Feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel. You see me I say TopChefDundyplace. You see me I say on YouTube. If you click on my page, you go see the link. Look at that, Sharon Rich, you know. I don't know the thing going on. Yes, Sharon, we're there, man. Some late night cooking, man. Some oxtail, some fried chicken, some rice and peas. Look at that. Big up yourself, you know, Sharon. You don't know the thing going on. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Tomorrow you don't know, say some pork chops. You see me?
Yeah, desperate family.
You want some? Yeah, man, you don't know, man. Link me up, man. You don't know the thing going on. Yeah, man, in New York, me there, you know. In a Mount Vernon, you know. The Ville, you know. Close to Bronx, you see me I say?
The economic situation is that type of thing, you know. Food bank revealed that numbers of children as well as adults across Britain. And it distributes to over 3 million parcels up to the end of March. Average 1,977,308
Yeah, man.
for adults and 1,000,000.
Yeah, man, Sharon, you don't know the thing, man. Yeah, man, me and wife here a cook, man, but she there in a dealer room there. You don't know the kids them, you know. But she soon forward, you don't know the thing, go. But Sharon, you don't know, you know. Yeah, man, book the Top Chef, man. You don't know the thing, go, man. The Top Chef available, man. We travel anywhere, man. You don't know Florida the right they say. You see me, I say? You see me? Some keep a barbecue and me come down there, come grill up, man. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, people you can book the Top Chef, you know, anywhere in the world right now we can go, you know. So you see me, book the Top Chef. You see me, I say?
And in fact, when not that they used to look down and going to food banks to get food and things, you know. Yes, you know, food from the poor, yes. You know, so the food services that they are filling and things. And this is why people are saying that the politicians then they're not doing anything to allow this type of situation, you know, with desperate type of thing.
Yeah, man. Yes, my people, you don't know. Big up everybody who subscribe to the YouTube channel so far. You see me, I say I love how the thing are going. You see me, I say it a grow. You see me? So if you don't subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the link on my page right now. You see me, I say click down the place up top there, so. Go up on my page and you see the link to YouTube. You see me, I say click the link and subscribe. You see me, I say, and comment and make me know if you're from TikTok you're forward from. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing, go, man. Yo, big up for the Mossy, big up for the lightning bolt, you know. Yeah man, we're doing some late night cooking, you know what I mean? Right now we're up in New York right now, you know what I mean? But that's some Jamaican cooking. We have some oxtail over here, so you see me? Oxtail there, so. Trouble. You see me, it's a one, we have a long way to go. We still have maybe 45 minutes left. But we have fried chicken soon done here now. We have the rice and peas here, so. You see me? Yeah man. Look at that. Big up yourself. You see me, I say? Yeah man. So people, we have the cook along videos on YouTube. You see me, I say? Yeah man, a big man food this, you know, Sharon. You know the thing go. Cook along videos, they're on YouTube. TopChefDundyplace. Look at that. Yeah man, flip them one more time.
You hear me now? Yeah. Guys, Paul Kagame, selling food to the park. Yeah, no problem. You want the French line up and the British.
Yeah man, we're there man, anytime you're ready man, you know. Summertime we are going to kick some event, you know what I mean. So y'all can come by and link up the Top Chef, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so get a vacation week in the summer. You want the drumstick? Which one? This one? Or this one? Yeah man. The Top Chef man. Chicken done and all still.
They are independent from the colonial masters. Historians will remind us that we were first enslaved, that Africans were taken, and this we seldom say, the first civilization to take Africans out of this continent were the Arabs. And they took Africans from the eastern coast. And it's sad that in that part of the world, there are not many Africans who remain, because it was in the business of the Arab enslaver to castrate Africans. We never say that, but we must say, because it is historically significant. Then the Europeans came.
Sure, I hear me up, you know.
Hi, Sharon.
Yeah, man.
The Germans came. The French came. The Belgians came. Africa became the hunting ground.
Yeah, man, y'all listen, Sharon. A real thing, you know, if you know our history, you know. Yeah, man, them know.
Our ancestors built the United States of America.
The thing open?
Yeah, man, yeah.
And when slavery had lost its shine and shield, the Europeans abolished it. But they replaced it with yet another pernicious enterprise, the colonization of Africa. The Europeans sat in Berlin, in Germany, in 1884, and they looked at the map of Africa and parceled it out. The British had their share, the Germans had their share, and Tanzania or Tanganyika was their share, as was Rwanda and Urundi. The Spaniards were Johnny come lately in the arena, and they got Equatorial Guinea and Southwest Africa. The French
I was gonna say, y'all follow, when y'all go over to YouTube, just comment, oh, we came from TikTok, okay?
They did not take us away. They came here and they controlled us, and they told us, not in so many words, that we were children of a lesser God. And we were treated as if we were children of a lesser God. In fact, they told us that on the day of creation, we were merely hewers of wood and drawers of water. And if anybody were to doubt it in 1948, it was all created when Henry Bafoot instituted the apartheid regime in South Africa. But yet there is a sense in which the God that we worship never sleeps. The colonial enterprise, and the European tribes, the Europeans never called themselves tribes, they called them nations, were engaged in a war. First in 1918, the European tribes fought. And they had something called the League of Nations, which died. Then they fought again in 1945. And what is unique about the European nations is that when they are engaged in tribal wars, they call them world wars.
Comment that again. Subscribe.
So there was another war between 1945, 1939.
Yes, my people, you know, I cook and learn tonight, you know, I don't know, bag of music tonight, you know.
A new kid on the block, the United States of America, took the lead in saying that colonialism was something that was undesirable. At that time, Africans were never quiet. Those who had been taken out had already started agitating. Many of us here will remember Marcus Garvey, of whom Bob Marley says Garvey was a buffalo soldier in the heart of America.
Buffalo soldier. And Marcus Garvey sing that song about him.
Many of us will remember that they started agitating that Africans must regain their dignity and their independence. And indeed, in 1847, in Liberia, a small group of Africans were brought back in Monrovia, and Liberia became the first independent black nation in the continent of Africa. So soon thereafter in Sierra Leone, they also created yet another colony. But Africa was colonized, except Ethiopia, which they tried to take in 1938 and exiled Professor Dr. Selassie. And unfortunately, they were defeated, as you remember, in the Battle of Adwa. Africa can defeat European tribes. This history is necessary that we are able to appreciate the freedom that we gained. So that Garvey came, W.E.B. Du Bois came, but there was another crop after the 1940s who had had the advantage of European education. And there were people in Europe also who are beginning to recognize that indeed equality was necessary. And this was not anything new. In 1776 in the United States of America, the American state sitting in Philadelphia in the United States of America declared unto themselves that all men are born equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among those are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. A few years later in France, after the revolution, they also recognized that we want to be equal. So that the colonized nations which had now taken Africans thought that they were safe. They had taken Leopold Sédar Senghor from Senegal to Paris, and they thought that they were creating a little Frenchman. Little did they know that they were creating somebody who would want to overthrow them. They took Félix Houphouët-Boigny from Côte d'Ivoire, and they thought that they were creating somebody who would be subservient to them. They took Ahmed Sékou Touré and Modibo Keïta, and they thought they were safe. Little did they know that they were creating the future leaders and agitators against French colonization. And it did not stop there. The Portuguese also took Agostinho Neto and Amilcar Cabral and Eduardo Mondlane to Lisbon. Little did they know.
Alright, we are waiting for the Australia now. You see me I say?
The catalyst that would be necessary in the process of decolonization. The British also had their fair share. They took others. They took Mwalimu Kambarage Nyerere, Hastings Kamuzu Banda, Kenneth David Kaunda, and many others to the United Kingdom, Jomo Kenyatta. Little did they know that those would be the individuals who sometimes later, and in Ghana, of course, they took the Osage for
What was wrong with these ones?
and
Oh,
in
you just changed
Nigeria,
them?
they took Dr. Namdi Azikiwe, Abubakar Tafawa Balewa, and Sahab Maju Bello, the Sultan of Sokoto.
How would you say?
I don't know.
There is a sense, therefore, in which these individuals started recognizing that having been enslaved, having been colonized, we now had to liberate ourselves. And the agitation started. And Kwame Nkrumah and his Ghana acquired independence in 1957. And I still can hear Kwame Nkrumah through the vicissitudes of time saying in Accra, Ghana, that Ghana is free and will never be colonized again. But the freedom of Ghana means nothing if the rest of Africa is not. Yes.
Yes, you put them in, all of them in there now. Michael?
Oh, you know, you don't know, man. The trick and that kind of program, no? Where you come from, eh?
Omar, big up for the follow, you know. Welcome to the kitchen. Look
Well,
at that.
Papa, do what you want to give us the kitchen of His Majesty. So we don't want the devil belong to the devil belong to after the youth, them still them take it out of the church and the youth, them not learning the boat. So then, you see the crime of the church now, at the school now.
Oh, yeah.
Because the youth, them not going to the school teachment again, the same.
So when them black get different, it's not them time. When them black get different.
The low stretchy argument, you know.
Teaching them black get different.
I never get my but them not
What them did I get? What them black get in the
So
school?
I need
What
to
them black get?
put them in a bowl and rinse them.
them now take it now.
No, you said them used to Vietnam, man. You said them used to get something at school and them now get it
And
again.
give me the one the holes with it then.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
so I just
Yeah.
rinse it. The one with the holes.
Yeah,
so
the church, but they not teach. They use them now get it again, man.
That's what I said. Them not at
Oh, so
school
they
at
time, you
all.
know, girl.
Yeah, so the crime up by them that one to the school because even them now get a Sunday school teachment
I should
again.
take up one of the thing around
That in our head right now.
Because they use
They are
them
full
now.
of
But even them now got church again. Them done it, everything.
Strawberry. The mother have to watch them.
If we're not classroom, I am the mic up in the classroom. I tell the people to teach out to the teacher. The classroom, what should do? After they went to the world, they come and come. You can't get the people to go preach there again, you know.
For the people, them are praise God.
Look.
They don't praise God, but they're not praising the God. They can't praise God. One supposed to praise, one supposed to serve.
So you know things at church I keep saying here.
It's a key, but they're not getting out. I'm more to one set of people that church. Church is not wide enough, man.
So if you say the church can't help the problem, save the problem.
And the church, I will tell the problem is, man,
Okay.
and until the philosophy should hold on to pure another impure, the church is a fine fancy way to win, man.
Something came up with some type of
Yeah, man, the church, man.
verification, but
The Jamaica
that's
Ambulance
still
Church
something.
Association needs to wake up,
Sky
man.
say I love
Jamaica
Muto.
Church Association, man.
Yeah, man, move tired of
The
the
things
man.
at the church are one of the problems, some of the problems too.
Yeah, because the kind of flatness usually go on at the church, we can't get people into the church again.
Oh, there's something there, man.
Hey, oh, you turn around.
The church, the problem is, man,
So we are going, no, we never go on at the church before.
No.
well, you see, when I go, you usually have to go Sunday school, we get to the Sunday school teaching.
No, I know, you used to go to Sunday school. I used to know Sunday school, but when I say, what is going on now that never go on at the church before? We are going now.
The the church are mostly the same adults and the same people that them are going to the daytime after the daytime and about. They want to show you in the church now, you see.
So why you try to come and send them to a church?
And that's the child that all the while, I'm going to the platform and to get a platform and I'm going to go to the platform.
Thanks for the heart.
What kind of platform you want? You know, just go to one corner, man, and take your Bible and two eagle and all them something there, some garlic and sit on the book of corner. Some olive oil.
Yeah.
Do this
So go one corner, man.
Now, what I think, man, I put something on Facebook and you can do it.
Oh, Facebook your land.
Go back to the guy reach out to the people in better.
You never the boat when you know the days when nearly every corner in a city have a preacher preach for it.
Yeah, man.
Is it right now?
That's what you do, man. Since you be in the church so much.
This is the pub of these, eh?
Alright, that's why I think that. Make sure we call him. Come in on the road now, yeah?
Yeah, alright, the bars are coming, man.
Yeah, the bars are coming, yeah.
I'm just take off these green leaves and just rinse them off, dry them and put them in a jar.
Yeah, man, I hear you.
Yeah. We just want to say thank you. Yeah, you remember time about 10 years when you have to tell people them to plant trees?
Yeah, still I tell them.
Yeah, man. And then today when they have grown and realized that they pick out coconut and drink I said, what you move, so let's plant coconut tree now. And they start planting that thing and pick up the water and just pick up coconut. So very sweet.
And these fluffy one, I don't really want them on there. Can I make the rest of them rotten?
No.
No, actually, no, it's like the one where you planted,
I tell you, man, even a cane, when you grow up a cane, man, and just chop off, I don't know, say I can plant it and just eat it. Not sweet like that.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man, give thanks.
Yeah, man, I give thanks to time, man. And when you come to England already, when you did there England, now, when you say you want to go back home, and I come back and nobody go back.
Yes.
Alright, just when you come there and say people don't have to
Alright, let me see how much more fit in the jar. Rinse them off.
When I get squeezed up.
Yeah, I want to come back and just plant some kind of basket and I can watch that. Because you got to go plant something, you think that everywhere you go, you plant. You go plant.
The time is 1 minute past 1 o'clock. Without the deal.
No, man, we don't look up there.
Okay, alright. Yes.
You know what I want to ask you about? United Nations is a fraud, not true?
Does it look so?
Yeah.
Look a long time.
I don't think I'm going to get beat up in there. I'm going to put too much at one time.
This must be when Israel are the who don't actually picking them and they pay for them. But, and in a this time, I like the first time when Israel went to the bar and said they don't have support. But nobody, I think about it.
We have to go to the bar.
Hold on. They put up the bar on first and they keep it up. Tell me. People should have all out more.
And thousands of people have all out, man. You know, to the people that on the road in America, all the college campus, them block up. You know,
Jamaica.
Well, Jamaica now, see Jamaican people, not really interested in that thing when I go on in America, you know. If they not go on in America, they're more interested.
No.
Because even in Haiti, they know, we're going on Haiti. Jamaican people basically that come like it isolated from them, you know.
Yeah, because but I got my time says that media also supposed to highlight those things.
Yeah, I mean, I say the people there, the journalists, them in a Jamaican kind of those. Eh?
You know, I want to ask you, whatever every journalist, right? If one media house have one image, everybody take and repeat the same image. Because I want to advertise and I want image, everybody repeat.
Yeah, watch what?
Now watch advertised news, right? But every news, I want image. Like I just one image. Everybody a portray. Like other image not there.
Like
What? What is he talking about?
Alright. In Israel, it is just not going to Israel. It's just when them are going and them are show you where every media house are show. Nobody not show different section. Like, just like a movie.
You mean in Jamaica? In Jamaica you talk?
Yeah.
Oh. Because you look up on YouTube, you see different news reports.
In Jamaica, but he was just talking. Wasn't he just talking about pyramids? Or I'm bugging.
Some people from
The man, didn't he just say something about pyramids?
Israeli.
Did he?
We have 5
Yeah.
things the Prime Minister said we have. We have to find your own news report.
Only a J, they are cooking up.
Yeah. And who they like to report good, them say the good things go to them, like to them, not like them say bad things go.
Yeah, man.
But even if you ask, because one of my friends told me I'm an idiot.
Mother?
In Russian war, me tell him that Ukraine can never win the Russian war. NATO can never win the Russian war. And he said, no much. And I tell him that if Russian have more arsenal of you will expect people to go help you to go win a man who absurd you. How come?
I know America has a problem because the Republicans them don't want to support the Ukrainian people. Them, you know, them want.
People make strawberry juice too? Or they put strawberry in juice?
Yeah,
Right?
they're not telling. And I think that Putin make a wise move still. Start fighting NATO before they go and separate. Because of that,
We can make a fruit punch. Look, make a fruit punch.
What you say?
Or it's gonna be a berry punch.
What you say?
We're not about Putin, about the bar.
Why?
Mm-hmm.
One time you remember to watch the movie Art of War?
Watch the movie.
Art of War. You remember about 10 years ago?
Let me tell you, this is read the book.
No, you said to watch it and read the book.
Yeah.
And in Art of War, the enemy is coming, and you'll be there. You start the war before it comes from second.
Okay.
So, Mr. Putin use the Art of
All of these
War.
probably could fit in there.
Yeah, learn. I want you to explain, I remember though.
Yes, you start the war before them second. So by the time them second, you're already where you are.
You're already over upon them.
You're already over upon them. Yeah, wait.
Well, I tell you, that for your son, listen, so. That for your man. It made me feel like I did something, you know?
No, you have to sit in long time. You have to sit before me sit there, but now me sit there, tell me say my 30 year old now, you know. And
Them pitney them tell them say they are 30.
More than 30 years me there.
no, me I take my time. Sunny,
Yeah, at 30.
yeah. And me I tell you because water make me be who me be. Because me farm and me say, look at me here. People say they don't have, but me have more than enough can give away and sell.
Of course.
So, come.
Where he the grow farmer.
You see, we have things there right now and I say, how come someone that say they have nothing to do? And they just sit for one day.
Alright, rinse them off now.
Every week. By the end of the year, you don't need to work there first.
Those are banana tree.
Those are banana tree.
Yeah, but that's what I will let you know that.
You have to take your plan.
If you get 5 sucker, and 1 year time to go to the 5 sucker, you plan that back. And 25 sucker that you would have been blown out with the 5 sucker. And then you go to the get like multiply 25 by 25. And so you can multiply. What people don't know that?
You know, the 6 months plan, 75 plans up already.
See there?
75. And we tell them before a year done.
You think this thing help dry it there?
And so much land you have, man. How much land you have?
I think I want 17 acres.
Which by it? Which by it?
Man, me always want to feed in a motor, but then I come here.
You always want to what? To feed him?
Yeah, but me left a new market, you know, from new market.
No, new market is far from us.
What kind of new market you far? You come and jump and come by street to come from flat.
Watch out, man. You come and jump and you come and jump and look at me to go to the beach.
Okay.
But you don't come and man. You only time to come and new market will not drive go there. Go through from this and go to Manti up here.
Okay, so you have to pass my yard.
Oh, my pass the yard.
Where the paper towel
From
is?
new market there, you have to pass the yard.
Eh? But we don't come the regular. We don't come through that way the regular.
But more than, you know, the me left from England, right, and come back and don't go back. And if you look for my banking, we have coconut, we have tea, we have papa, we have ackee, everything we then send up a plant on the banking to me, man. If they ask me, you have a plant here, mother, so.
But glad how you feel proud of yourself, man. I'm glad that it's good.
Yeah, but me tell you, you have to sit on and guys and tell me coconut, you have to tell me ackee, you have to tell me right on the gate.
So I give thanks for
And you tell me to replant it. Everything when we eat, we want to plant it. Nothing has faith. Every seed will come in and we put water.
Are you planted?
Everything when we eat, man. All common number, man. The crazy that we want common number feed, man. When we have to
what's up to? My plant are sinking to, you know.
yeah, man.
What's
that?
Was that
A 5 years.
something like look like tambourine, you know? You would choke him
You know
out.
the one
Powder it.
when you get jackfruit and
And then one of that come in like cinnamon then.
Oh, okay.
You choke.
here.
You want to do the cinnamon challenge, man? You want to do the cinnamon challenge?
Yeah, man.
Why is that?
Bring back the cinnamon challenge. Who remember the cinnamon challenge?
People have know you're planting.
Oh, wait a minute, man. Every time, watch out. Right now,
What the oxtail are going to
the
be?
beer again is right now because sometimes I say me eat jackfruit, it's up on the stem, the stalk.
Alright.
And the beer there and they chop off and run up on the ground.
Alright, Mota.
Yeah.
So the year and a half when they come here. So how me see jackfruit tree beer, me say, you know the Rastafari this year when we win here. And now let the jackfruit tree and make it drop off. And that's why me say, tell my wife to go on and come back.
Yeah, well, that's jackfruit, man. I wear some man. Jackfruit, my jackfruit tree beer, man.
Jackfruit, I'm
So
a
what be your
favorite.
game then?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, man.
It can go up here?
But right now, I'm
Florida.
preaching.
Probably going on some man.
Deal with the
But
kid
you need a
vibes
couple
like
years
that
well.
because
To
the
start,
ear
yeah.
kind of gets steep for me, I know, you know. To go down there for the kid. To go down there for the kid, them.
Y'all get old.
Everyone away.
Yeah, little get old.
No, I'm not go back down there, so man.
Okay.
And the young boy, I'm going to chop no land again, you know.
Alright, Mota, you remember though.
I know that we can't go down there, you know.
Yeah, but he's struggling to come back from
Yeah, you don't know the thing, man. You don't know the thing, man.
Yeah, man, self-preservation.
Yeah. Want some flat land, I know. Flat land to plant, man.
Alright, you what you do? You go take me around your farm, man.
Eh?
You didn't hear it?
If a woman have you, it must be a God have you. Because you're a determined man, you know, man.
Eh?
Yeah, man, you know, son, you me love, and your wife me love, because I kiss you.
You never hear about the radio the other day with Kashima?
No, because...
Last week, you was up on the radio with Kashima, you know. Yeah, man, the place up the airwaves, man. I tell you.
That's on YouTube, there for WhatsApp.
I don't know where there, but I know such a place up the place.
I'm crying.
Yeah, man, I tell you, Mota. I tell you, Mr. Martin said, you say Mota,
Man, wife down, you know.
man, this is right now, man, and I say right now, we didn't want to come back.
Coffee.
You can't manage
Look
yourself.
at that. Coffee was singing.
Blue Mountain coffee.
I get old. Oh, yeah, I get old.
That's the coffee in Jamaica.
No, man. Staircase does stop me, man. Staircase does stop me, you know. Staircase does stop me.
What you see with me, because they come at me, go spray to one and spray. Me not see one go upstairs, you know, I go to their space, you know. No, man, I just go back out and do one.
No, stop me, because I don't use elevator when I'm going out business place. I don't use elevator, no, you're tired, man.
He walk up the stairs.
When
Yeah. When snow fall, we can do it. We put on shoes. Sino. More know what Muta do when him. So I know wear shoes.
No, man, no, you have to see me to know where I do. I'll tell you about the England where we're doing every one. I'll put them in
Just put, I'm just put them in here.
Yeah. Alright. There we go. This one.
When they are in the sun.
Alright. Take care of
That is a head. Put the tissue in the bottom of the raspberry.
Yeah. Alright, sir. Get down.
Alright, so I'm just gonna put a tissue in the bottom of this for the raspberries. You know, I have like that little wetness to it. Hey! Let me rinse it. No, just.
You have a ring so you don't know wash.
So, like this, just put some tissue and then just put the raspberries in there. Good one, them.
Come here, girl. Come here.
If you are black inside yellow, you never see that thing like that. No, a mill, no, a mill is never cane. Motor, all of the cane and can mill motor. Alright. We have to go now. We have to go.
He said we have to go.
Alright, Tate, I love you. Take care.
Love you too, man.
Alright.
He said he love him.
Take on.
Them kind of boys.
Come here, girl.
No, say. I do nothing for you, you know. Yeah, man. Them brethren there. No, say. When me do is nothing for you. Them kind of man, they will just call me from market there. Yeah.
You can't go close to the stove, it will burn you, you know. You want to get burned? Huh? You wouldn't mind, right? Most want to get burned. The stove is burn hot too.
What kind of people?
This is our fun. No, put this our fun.
I don't say them mad like me.
See, Mike, a lot of them something there.
You say I'm mad at two different things to me.
You just gotta pick out the good one, them. You know, the store, you know.
Come here.
You know, man, me work exactly what they bride every day. Okay, I don't got sure what you're better than me, man. So where you come from?
Come on, put up them things.
Yeah, I judge man, one real clear man. I want to never see your skills. Marodine, when I ain't got Marodine. Oh, what is funeral of Marodine there? Yes, man. I see this morning, he's still on and I'm going to sit and I give a few in a part of book. Yes, man. I see this morning, he's still on and I'm going to sit and I give a few in a part of book.
Alright, so we got some raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries. Help them, you know, stay fresh longer. Open the fridge.
Alright, now play one, you know. Come off of the phone and let me play it. Alright, one big up to somebody who has this right now. Big up Rasta Punji and country. And you will have John Colin and want that stuff. From his father. John Colin, yeah? Your friend come from
problem?
You know, one of them friends of us now.
No, man, are nice people there, man.
For jungle,
You go to the one who never come down.
yeah, the jungle, that man, that's a jungle, see, you know.
You hear Desi, man?
If you want them, me do whatever, but I'm going to you know.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
All right, talk, give talk.
All right, Father Muta.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Yes, cheers. Morning, cheers. Morning, cheers.
I'm moving on that time, cheers.
I share with the car. Cheers.
All right, so you very much, what's up? Yeah, after that.
Morning, sir.
Oh.
You are Jerry.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna go on my iPad. Oh.
You are Jerry.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna go on my iPad.
Hold on.
Look who you are going with Jazzy.
Oh, we must know how we know, pointing, you know.
I don't know, I'm just saying. Alright, we want to ask you everything, name have anything to do with everybody or anything, name.
If the name, where the president, where the name mean and where the thing I won't hear the name. Because you got in Africa,
Yeah.
the parents look on the youth, and if they want the youth turn out a certain way, also, they give the youth the name according to that.
Yeah.
And then when the youth grow up and know the meaning of name, you know, it give them more confidence in themselves.
Yeah, black man name of concerns the evening, listen.
Yeah, African name them, yeah.
African name them.
Yeah, so when people listen to it, and them say, well, I'm lying and even from my barn or so.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then them when you grow up, say, where my name, because people will ask them, you know, where you get a name from? And say, my father give me an African name. So when me now you tell them, it sound more pleasant to the ears.
Yes, more pleasant.
I like their name.
Yeah. I go on mind you, budget, something like that, and hear your name out for a name like that, yeah, right down the meaning like, but you can't really tell the meaning, what it mean right now.
Yeah, man, I cut up the thing.
I hear you that.
Okay.
I don't want to mind you, name there already.
Well, no matter what you know, Jamaica, African name.
Yes.
I mean, get it.
I know.
Yeah, from the 90s, they all started.
Yes.
I mean, get them them, so.
Sure. So, I want to ask you this question. What meaning a rare? You know the meaning a rare?
Like a laughing night. I'm so depressed for art, but that's a little laughter, man.
What do you mean, man?
Rare, it's like a man feel good child, and she's a rare, you know. People say rare for different reasons nowadays.
Yes, because I know
That's a rare, you know, because certain clothes that them have on a rare. Them a rare market where
right.
nobody don't plaza.
Nobody gonna further motor.
It's like a bedroom plaza thing, yeah.
Yes, nobody gonna further. So this market I know, that's one of the main thing where I get turned down every year. Me I wonder because we just a rare and nothing substantial.
What do people them think substantial in the man?
Yes, but the things in the substantial, but all this market I get burned down to every year. Now I wonder if I
have to tell you to put this in there, you know. We're going to cook on, it could be, then we drop the butter bean, then you know
I get one down there and say this thing, you know. I wonder if they want to change the name of that market, man, because that name, not fit so.
I don't think I the name why them about it though.
Well, the name have meaning.
Somebody have close to somebody there or something. The name not going to do with the man.
Something wrong there for them, something right there.
Something right because some people then go through a bad mind.
Every market that, you know. Every market that, you know. The bad man and come trustness and all them type of things. Every market in anything, you know.
Yeah, man, that cook on, you know, you don't know the thing, though.
genuine and tell you what you know look for.
You want that thing that you know, but me no feel that you the name why people about it.
Alright. Yeah, man, you know, me hear you talk about this YouTube thing and about and fear reason for ban it out of Jamaica. Because me hear you talk to one virgin and he about the YouTube thing, you say, and you tell him the reason why America wants to make you accept if you have a different reason. And you think that, you know, more time, then me afraid to this thing I was so shocked because I see the crime I want platform, I want prominent man. Depending two and him tell you which part time when you got do and what lot of you got do. And 22 man and then the man on the platform, all the man have them fully done. That's the Prime Minister. I said to the man, fully done. And the man I tell you when we go do with him. You know? I mean, I wonder if you see all these things, you know.
When I put in that again, I want some more.
When you tell a man, say, why a man will set you up by doing these things, take off you, that I'll put on the next man, you know,
Vice now. Yeah, no, the vice now, the new thing now.
The man gets at the axe tail, huh?
Put two separate person together like
Okay, I got it.
You know,
Like, expose.
Yes, definitely. One more thing before we move, because I hear you talk something the other day about the world court and some abortion thing, right?
What we say about the world court?
Yes, like the man.
Yes, my people, soon forward back. You see me I say? Look at that.